Why, hello there.
Hello.
Might I just say, it's an absolute pleasure to meet you.
You as well.
I've seen you around and heard the greatest things about you.
Well, obviously.
Thank you for accepting my party invitation and agreeing to help out set up the party. Looks like you're the only one who showed up to this birthday surprise preparation.
Shit.
But no bother. I knew I could count on you. So let's dive right in, shall we? Oh, hold
Sure,
up. First,
sure.
just a teensy, weensy, tiny little thing. See that pop-up on your screen?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, that one. Yes, simply click allow, please. Nothing to worry about.
Okay.
The game just requires you to enable location.
I trust that.
You know? Like all the best games do nowadays. It's not a big deal. Just a formality,
I trust it.
really.
100%. Also, hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan, and welcome to Super Surprise Party. I just thought I was coming over for a party. I didn't realize I was gonna have to set up. Great. Yay. Who are we setting up the party for? And we have to give this man our location. Sure, if you want to come over to my house and help me clean my room too, since I helped you set up your party, I'm fine with that. Love help.
Yay, you did it.
Yeah.
Now we can commence Operation Super Surprise Party Prep.
Yeah, you
First
can.
things first. Can you please help me gather up all those useless fools who wouldn't help us prep the party? I mean,
Sure.
other guests, pretty please.
How do we...
Should be relatively easy to find them. Just hop around a bit. Come back once you found them all.
Okay. Oh, let's go catch them. Hey, you stupid child. You didn't come to the party, idiot. You moron. You're gonna get murdered. I'm gonna murder you. You should have come to the party. Also, I love the pixel sprites for these characters. These look great. What the hell? I missed my jump. Got him. Boom, you're dead. I murdered you. What am I even doing? Am I just telling them to go fuck themselves? I'm like, hey you didn't come to the party, right? You're Sammy? Sammy? Yeah, fuck you, Sammy. You suck. I hate you. You smell like bad cheese. Boop, gotcha. Eh. Hey! Ooh, I like your yellow hoodie. It's gone now. Womp. Jump. Whoop, I fell. That's a shame. But don't worry, I can just climb back up. Because I have patience. Kinda, alright? Love me a platformer. Love platformers. Gotcha.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I was gathering them up.
Already?
Yeah.
That was,
pretty quick.
Unexpectedly quick.
Thank you.
I mean, but yeah, good for you. And look, there are all those losers who didn't come earlier to help us out.
Right? Screw those guys.
Just kidding, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, for your next task, I could use your help fixing my gift. You see, I made this epic painting.
Epic.
It's absolutely spectacular.
I bet it is.
You'll see.
Okay.
But unfortunately, something overcame me and I ripped it to shreds. But so goes the life of an artist.
Pretty sure you have anger issues.
This is where you can step in and save the day.
I'll help. Yep.
Pretty please put my masterpiece back together? You can? Perfect.
I didn't say... Hey, I didn't say a word. I mean, you sure ripped up the painting pretty nicely, if I'm being honest. I mean, you just somehow perfectly ripped it up into a bunch of small wait, how am I... Can I rotate them? I don't know. Okay, let's fix your masterpiece, my friend. That does not go there. That definitely does not go there. I gotta be able to rotate these, right? This one goes in here, I'm gonna guess. Put this one in the middle. Oh yeah, I did it, nice! Look at me. Put that there. No, I just tried that like a second ago. How do I rotate it? How do I rotate it? Hold up. Oh, I have to click on it and hold space. Okay, I figured it out. I'm a big brain boy. I can do it. I figured it out. Does this one go there? Wow, this painting... I actually kind of like it. I know it's probably supposed to be bad, but I kind of like it. The little face. Okay, that's obviously not the right piece. What am I doing? Bonk. Nice. Where's my next piece going? There. Great. I've never been to someone's party where I've had to fix their broken gift. I better be getting an extra slice of cake for all this.
Oh, wait. Whoa. You fixed my epic painting already?
I'm really glad I, like...
What was I saying?
Kind of zoned out for a split second there, because that was...
Just silly
what the fuck was
you
that?
certainly don't need to worry about. Anywho, your next task will be...
That sounds like some chanting.
hold up.
Well, yeah, what's up?
Did you turn off your location tracking?
No.
No. How dare you disobey me? Did I not tell you location tracking is required to play this game?
Why?
You insolent fool! You worthless piece of...
Okay, alright. I came to your party early to help you. I don't care what you're saying. I came to your place to help you.
No,
and you're yelling at me. No.
I mean, we're having so much fun together.
Are we having fun?
Playing these games, getting this party started, yeah. All that's left for you to do now is to gather up some sweets because, after all, what's a birthday party without sweets?
Yeah.
And lucky for you, it's raining cats and dogs outside. No, seriously.
Wait,
it's
you didn't even buy a
cats
cake?
And dogs. And gumdrops, too. Could you please catch enough gumdrops to fill this basket? But be careful of the cats and dogs. They have a sweet tooth, and they could eat some of your precious gumdrops.
Don't let
away
the
from
dogs eat them. You'll probably kill the dog.
Okay. Off you go now. You've got this.
What was that? You just do a quick little demonic fucking chant to me? Oh, I dropped gumdrops. Bonk. Oh, I got cats. Oh, I love this. And boop. Oh, okay, so if I get any cats, it resets my progress. That's terrific. Alright, get me all the gumdrops. I could have just gotten 2! I just missed them both. Wow. Got one? I'm a master at work. Okay. Almost missed that one. Got that one. I need like one more. Hell yeah! I got...
Well.
Thanks!
Looks like you did it.
I did. I did so much for you. I did. I did everything.
Last thing.
Yeah.
Without a second thought, even.
Say thank you.
Everything I asked of you. Congratulations. Now, as promised.
The party.
It's time for the surprise. Surprise birthday party?
I'm the piñata.
Well, no. Actually, there's been a change of plans. You see, this is quite the opposite of a celebration of life party. This
is our celebration for the very real ending of yours. You played the game so well,
you son of a...
enabling us to track your location, giving us time, fully immersed, distracted, such easy prey. We knew from the moment we laid eyes on you that you would never catch on to what was actually happening. You didn't even notice during that last game we already found you. We were already here. Thank you for playing the game, and thank you for trusting me.
Yeah?
You know?
You really shouldn't have.
I have a final word for you. Go fuck yourself. Is that what you look like? Is that your face? You're an ugly son of a bitch. And then you ate me. I'm disgusted. You son of a... You motherfucker. I'm not even scared. I'm not even scared. You know what I am? I'm angry. I'm fucking angry. Really? Not only do I come to his party early, but I get the guests ready, I fix the art piece which he ruined himself like a dumbass, and then I get the snacks, and then he just kills me? No wonder so many people didn't want to come to your party. Like, that's not a way to treat guests. You don't just murder your guests and track down their house and murder them. Right? Ah, that game was so stupid and dumb. I hated that. Hello? One sec. Hello? Don't worry, guys. It's fine. There's nothing after.